Blink and you'll catch everything. The ultimate wire-free security camera for peace of mind. Ever wished you had eyes everywhere without the hassle of messy wires or sky-high installation costs? Meet the Blink Outdoor 4, the ultimate smart security camera that lets you see, hear, and protect what matters, right from your phone. This 4th-generation powerhouse brings you crystal-clear 1080p HD live view, enhanced motion detection, and two-way audio, so you can see who's lurking, talk to visitors, or yell at porch pirates, all from the Blink app. Plus, with infrared night vision, you won't just see in the dark, you'll own the night. It's affordable, powerful, and built to watch your back 24/7. Tired of constantly replacing batteries? Not with this bad boy. The Blink Outdoor 4 boasts an insane 2-year battery life on just 2 AA lithium batteries, meaning no more scrambling for replacements every few months. Plus, with Blink's proprietary chip technology, it's built to run smarter, not harder, conserving power while keeping your home secure. Unlike those overpriced security systems that drain your wallet and your patience, this wire-free setup takes just minutes to install, no tools, no wires, no professional help required. Security has never been this effortless. Gone are the days of annoying false alerts from leaves, shadows, or passing cars. The Outdoor 4's dual-zone motion detection ensures you're only alerted to what actually matters. Get instant real-time notifications when movement is detected, and with optional person detection, available with a Blink subscription plan, you'll know if it's a visitor or an intruder, without lifting a finger. Want even more control? Set up custom activity zones so your camera only focuses on the areas you actually care about. Smart, efficient, and designed to cut through the noise. Worried about extreme weather? Don't be. The Blink Outdoor 4 is built to withstand rain, snow, heat, and everything in between. Unlike other cameras that fizzle out after a storm, this one is weather-resistant and tough as nails. Plus, you can save and share clips with flexible storage options either in the cloud, with a free 30-day trial, or locally with the included sync module 2 and a USB drive, sold separately. No sneaky monthly fees required if you don't want them. And yes, it's Alexa approved. Control everything hands-free, view live feeds, arm or disarm your system, and even set up Alexa routines with simple voice commands. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just chilling in bed, this camera keeps you connected and in control. Bottom line? The Blink Outdoor 4 is the smartest, easiest, and most affordable way to protect your home, without breaking the bank or breaking a sweat. So why wait? Lock down your security today.